Bonjour à toutes et à tous. Hello everyone. May the sparkles of this Diwali illuminate your life with peace, joy, happiness and good health. I wish you all a very happy learning with French tweets and a very happy Diwali from the entire team.
Bonjour, may this beautiful festival of lights brings us brighter, happier new days. Joyeux Diwali!
Hello learners, so today is a very special day, so I wish you a happy and blissful family time during this Diwali of 2023. Bye bye.
Hi everyone, so this is Miss Bettina from French Tweets team. I wish you all happy Diwali and in French, bonne fête de Diwali à tous.
Dear learners, I wish to take this opportunity to wish you a happy Diwali. May you carry that light with you everywhere you go in Canada. Joyeux Diwali!
Rise up this morning, rise to the smiling sun. Three little birds out by my window, singing sweet songs of memories pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Happy Diwali, आपको. Happy, 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 happy Diwali. Happy Diwali, आपको. Happy, 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 happy Diwali. Happy Diwali!